Hey guys, I'm Near here and today my first Q&A. Alright, question 1. Are you sub 20 on 3x3? Working on it. What are your means? So 3x3 it's the Go Guan Yu Asia, 2x2 Moyu Lingpo, 4x4 Moyu Osu 4x4, 5x5 no main, 6x6 no main, 7x7 no main. That's pretty much all the events I do. Pyraminx Moyu backup main for 3x3 is my how long. Yeah. Alright, next question. Moyu or Diane? Moyu. What is your PB? On 3x3 it is 17.67. On 2x2 it's 6.97. Who did you learn F12 from? I learned F12 from Cubingers. The Cubingers channel is in the description. What is your favorite sport? Basketball. How many cubes do you have? 21. What is your favorite color? Red. Can you solve a cube blindfolded? No, but I'm working on it. How long or way long? How long? Version 2. I sort of like the how long version 1, but I use the how long version 1 mini for my one-handed main. But the how long version 2 is my backup 3x3 normal main. Sorry, the programming keyword. Anyway guys, those are all the questions I'm going to answer in this video. So leave more questions down in the comments and Q&A number 2 will be out soon. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on my next video.